wow, you can hear it echo through the whole place. This is elevator number 2 at the Sutter Square Galleria. This is the only one that serves 4 floors. What is that for? That's an older micro switch. What is that for? Can't be. Call cancel. There's no fire service. Weird. Pretty basic elevator. Oh, it's been replaced by Dixon Truck. Wow, it's hot up here. If you look right there, there used to be an escalator there. Not anymore. What the fuck? I shook because the elevator just sunk when I stepped on it. I'm not that fat. Come back down. Weird. What's that up to? Wow. Incandescent. What is that for? Some kinds of random stuff. And I don't know if that's a fire hat or what. Alright. There it goes, and that will be it.